Today we're making mango glazed salmon with black beans and rice, a special holiday meal from God's love we deliver. Welcome to another episode of Cooking for Wellness at NYU Langone Health. Joining me today is Terrence Meck, the president and CEO of God's Love We Deliver, the world's largest organization dedicated to cooking and delivering medically tailored meals. Welcome to the show, Terrence.
Thank you, Chef. It's great to be here. This is such an exciting year at God's Love We Deliver. We are celebrating 40 years of nourishing the great people of New York City.
Wow. So how did you get involved with God's Love We Deliver?
I lost my husband to pancreatic cancer in 2008. And it was in the 4 months between his diagnosis and death where I actually got to witness the power of food as medicine. And that's what led me to the doors of God's Love We Deliver. I started volunteering and I started as CEO in January of this year.
You were literally from volunteer to president. I mean, you've done it all. It's amazing.
I'm very honored. I feel like everything I've done in my life has led me to this moment.
So you ready to get started on our beans?
Let's do it.
The first thing we're gonna do, got a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna sweat some onions and bell peppers.
This is one of our special recipes that we'll serve for our winter feast, which is a special holiday meal for all of our clients.
I mean, I can't imagine them being upset about this, I gotta be honest. Our veggies are getting a little soft, just about ready to add the garlic. Talk a little bit about the partnership between God's Love We Deliver and NYU Langone Health.
Absolutely. So this is a partnership that started in 2024, and it's actually for patients who are being discharged from the hospital and going home. The one thing that we know very well at God's Love is that there's a lot of fear and anxiety and uncertainty for people who are living with illness. So before they leave the hospital, we set them up on our meal program. So by the time they get home, they know that they and their loved ones are going to have medically tailored meals that are custom designed to what illness they're going through to get them through however long they need.
So we got a little bit of cumin, dry oregano, add that to the vegetables, give it a little toast. Are you guys working with like nutritionists, dietitians?
Yeah, so we have 13 registered dietitians
Wow.
on staff. So they get calls with a registered dietitian, they get check-ins to see how they're doing. If they have any allergies or modifications that they need, we do that as well.
The more you keep talking about this, you have no idea how similar what we do. Right? That's like pretty
Your
much what we do
delivery is
here.
a little bit easier.
Yeah, I guess we don't get in the car. we don't have delivery trucks. But other than that, it's like
It's very similar.
a team of chefs and a team of dietitians making
Absolutely.
medically tailored meals.
That's why we love working with NYU Langone and your team. I mean, it's been such a great partnership for us.
Ready to add the beans? I'm just gonna add a little bit of water just to like loosen it up, and then we'll end up cooking it out as we simmer the beans. We also have a couple of bay leaves, a little bit of salt. 1.5 teaspoons of red wine vinegar we're gonna add at the end just to give it a little acidity and like brighten it up. We're gonna let these beans simmer while we make our spice mix for our salmon. We have ground coriander, turmeric, garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, and a little bit of salt. We're gonna combine that. We're gonna use that to coat our salmon before we roast. So we got 6.5 ounces of salmon. I gave it a little bit of avocado oil to help the spice stick to it. Let's give it some solid vice rub here. We're gonna roast that off in the oven for about 10-12 minutes. So while that salmon cooks, our beans are simmering nice and light. We set up our rice. We're gonna make our final thing. We're gonna do the mango glaze. We're gonna start off with a little bit of olive oil again. We have some small diced onions. All right, our onions are starting to soften up a little bit. We got garlic and fresh ginger to add. So we wanna get those mangoes just a little bit soft. Let's go ahead and add our coconut milk, right? I can see the mango soft, right?
Yes.
You wanna keep this on low heat. The sugar from the mango, the coconut is burned. Our beans are simmering away. I'm gonna go ahead and add that little bit of red wine vinegar, brighten it up. All right, I'm gonna go check on our salmon. Oh, we are ready to go. Look at that, beautiful.
Wow.
All right, our glaze is ready to puree,
All
right? Yeah. What's the best way for NYU Langone Health employees to engage with God's Love We Deliver, like right now?
Great question. We always need volunteers. Thanksgiving Day is our largest day. We deliver 16,000 Thanksgiving meals to people in
In a
New York.
single day.
In one single day. And if you are in the city Thanksgiving morning, it is a really fun way not only to give back and help out, but be in community with other people.
All right, looking good.
How's it taste?
Delicious.
All right.
Ooh, really is good.
Yeah.
Our final thing, we got some jasmine rice.
Perfect.
So we're ready to try this food, right?
Let's do it.
You ready to eat? Fish is delicious.
That is delicious.
Man, this does not taste like a medically tailored meal, I gotta be honest. It tastes pretty delicious. Terrence, thank you so much for being here. We really
Thank you for
appreciate
having
it.
me.
I'm Chef Jeffrey Hell. This is Cooking for Wellness. For more healthy and delicious recipes, please check out our Cooking for Wellness playlist.